Good magical morning. This is an awesome Monday, Mr. Jeffrey's Algebra 2 class. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe, hit the bell. Okay, so today we're actually back kind of in a normal class pattern until people are out for the next 2 days attending sporting events. But anywho, all right. We're basically going to kind of pick up with this right here and move forward and do a little review and blah, blah, blah. All right. So we have to do this thing called Rationalizing the Denominator. I don't know why. Okay. I have a theory that it's because these people, they were, had some very strong medicine, did math, and then they sobered up and blah, blah, blah. So here's the deal. We can't have I in the denominator. All right. So if we have something like this, we multiply by I over I. Again, all this sounds just really simplistic, right? Okay. Yeah, it is a little ridiculous. But I like to call this method the Captain Insano method. And the reason why is it's from Waterboy. Where, they ask, he says, what does Captain Insano do to the bad guy? And he goes and he pokes the guy in the eyeball. Okay, so basically we're poking the eye out of these problems. All right, just remember that I squared becomes -1. So if we're looking right here, so here's our problem. We have to multiply right here by I over I. All right, so this becomes 2I over 8I squared. Well, that's now 2I. This is 8 times -1. Now, we finally get to there. That's not how we need to leave it. Okay, we need to actually reduce it. So this is like 1I over -4. All right. Yeah. The actual, here's what's weird. Besides me, this step right here, that's actually all the new stuff. Okay. And after this part right here, where we turned I squared into -1, you're literally done with all the Algebra 2 stuff. All this other stuff is Algebra 1. All right. So let's look at number 3. Again, we're going to multiply all these by I over I. Aye, Captain. Okay. Alright, so this becomes -5I, -5, -1. Alright. So -5, this is 5. Alright. So this is going to end up reducing again. All right. Remember, the use of calculators is encouraged in this class. All right. This will reduce down to just -1I or -I. Okay. Yes, I know that seems weird. We're dealing with imaginary numbers. If some of this stuff doesn't seem weird, then something I think is a major amiss, because it should be weird. It's imaginary numbers. We use our imagination. Okay. All right. Are we good with 1 and 3? All right. So let's look at number 5. What are we going to multiply by? I. Which is weird. The reason you can do that is because technically I over I is 1. It's just It's weird. Just can we all agree that it's weird?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We'll make it about as deep as the conversation between, I don't know. I thought that joke was going somewhere, and it didn't. All right. So 6 over -4. Well, this will become, let's see, where's my calculator? Aha! -6 over, 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Oh, it would be a +4. Thank you. Yeah. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Okay, anyways. Wow, if you could see the looks I'm getting from some of the students. All 4 of them that are paying attention. Now, all right, to the back. Now, we're doing the same thing except a little bit more steps, okay? But it's still the Captain Insano method. We're still poking the eyeball out. I can just hear it now. What did you learn in math today? We're poking out people's eyeballs. I mean, valid. So we actually use the distributive property here. So 4 times I is just 4i. Okay, and then this would be -9i squared. All right, so we get to clean it up just a little bit. Easy, Rowdy. All right, so this is 4i. This minus -9, -6. Oh, +6. So now, this is actually this become minus is positive. This is our final answer. We have to write it with this. This is our real number. And this is our imaginary. Okay. That has to be in that form. Again, it's just craziness. And then number 9. Dooby dooby doo. -1i plus 8i squared. Man, I should quit teaching and become a singer. What? The sarcasm and hate. I mean, my karaoke debut was awesome. All right, so negative. Now, you could write this as -i. It's all right. I wouldn't, because it just helps me. Negative times, so 1. Now, our final answer after all this hubbub all right, now we've done all the odds because I just couldn't even today. Now, so boy, I'm just slinging them left and right. I got 7 types of smoke today I'm throwing out. All right, so y'all are going to go back and do these 5 even problems. Some of y'all probably already have. And then we're going to go over them. All right. For those at home, don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff. Good things. Real time.